In this Python tutorial, we will build a website using Streamlit. The website will display the weather conditions of cities. You might not be familiar with the Streamlit library yet. On my YouTube channel, there's a detailed playlist explaining Streamlit from start to finish. I have added the playlist link in the video description. Now let's start building this project from scratch together. First, I will set up a virtual environment. The virtual environment will help me avoid many potential errors. The last part of the command represents the name of the virtual environment. A folder for the virtual environment was created. Inside this folder, there is an activate file that I will use to activate the environment. This ensures that all the commands I run will work within the virtual environment. Next, I will install the Streamlit library using a specific command. I will also install the request library for API integration. Then I will create a Python file inside the virtual environment folder. I will import the Streamlit library in this file. The first thing I will do is add a title to our app. After that, I will start the web server. I will open the command prompt for this setup. Once the activate file is executed, the virtual environment will be ready. I will use a specific command to launch the web server. You can open the web app by going to the address provided in your browser. The title I created has been added to the web page. Next, I will add a text input field. This input field is now visible on the web page. Lastly, I will add a button to the app. The button has been successfully added to the web page. Now I will integrate the Weather API into the app. I already have a piece of code prepared for this step. For this, we will use the request library. I will visit the OpenWeatherMap website for the weather data. You will need a free API key from the website. After signing up, you can generate your own API key. Don't bother trying the API keys I use in this video. I will delete them after the video is uploaded. I will copy the API key and assign it to a variable named API key. The data retrieved from the API will be displayed on the web page. I have some pre-written code to handle this. This code will run when the button is clicked. The weather details of the entered city will appear on the screen. Now let's test it. The app works just as I want. You might still be unfamiliar with Streamlit library. Check out the playlist link in the description to start learning.